Very good morning, children. Welcome to the first module of class 9. You remember we were doing the lesson about natural vegetation and wildlife, where we were discussing about the different types of flora and fauna in our country. We were also learning the difference between the flora and fauna. And by now, you might have even started, building up an attitude of concern for the natural vegetation of our country, even the wildlife. We have to love and conserve the nature. All right. So in the previous week, we discussed about the terms biome, biodiversity. Then we also discussed about endemic species, exotic species. Okay. So now, and I also discussed with you about tropical evergreen forest and also about the deciduous forest. Let's talk more about this tropical deciduous forest. You see here we are going to see about the tropical deciduous forest. On the basis of availability of water, we are categorizing the tropical deciduous forest into two sections. We have wet deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. Okay, let's go ahead by seeing the difference between the wet deciduous forest and the dry deciduous forest. You can very well see my board. Okay, and then I expect you all also to do the same, to go about watching the modules and writing down in your notebook the difference between the two. Okay, first one, we'll start off by talking about the amount of rainfall. In the case of moist deciduous forest, the rainfall required is 200 centimeter and 100 centimeter. So moist deciduous forest is found in areas where there is rainfall amounting to 200 centimeter and 100 centimeter. Then dry deciduous forest, it is found and visible in areas which are having 100 centimeter to 70 centimeter. Okay, so we are discussing about the difference between the tropical deciduous forest, that is moist deciduous forest, and dry deciduous forest. Rainfall I discussed. Then which part of the country it is found, which part of our country is having moist deciduous forest? It is existing in the northeastern states. Okay, and especially talking about the foothills of Himalayas. You studied, the parallel ranges of the Himalayas, the foothills of the Himalayas, means we're talking about the Shivalis. I hope you remember it. Then it is also found, moist deciduous forest is also found in the state of Jharkhand. We have western part of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and definitely on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. Okay, this is with regard to where the moist deciduous forest is found. Then dry deciduous forest, it is found in parts of the Peninsular Plateau and also in the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Clear, no? 2 points of differences I discussed with you. Thank you.